What did life look like before engineering? Where did we come from, and where are we going with technology and engineering? In the beginning, this is how we used to engineer and develop our ideas. The evolution of engineering and GMB Heavy Industries has continued to grow. We started our journey 40 years ago, when life and technology was simpler. As in life, we have to move forward or get left behind. Our engineers have accepted and embraced the challenge within an ever-evolving spectrum. We recognise that our customers also need to be at the head of the pack, and will strive together as a partnership in order to maintain our joint position as industry leaders. Our visions and innovations keep us at the cutting edge of technology. GMB recognises that our leading-edge innovations are only leading edge for a short period of time and must be relentlessly updated. We continuously strive to meet our customer challenges, incorporating the latest engineering software that is then translated to the manufacturing, inspection and installation phase. We solicit customer feedback during every phase of engineering to ensure project deliverables are not only met but are exceeded. Quality control is a large part of our feedback process. Fit, finish, performance and customer satisfaction are fundamental to our continued success. By partnering with GMB, you can be assured that we will meet your expectations during all project phases, from concept to engineering and to final installation.